In today's video, I'll show you on how you can foreclose RBL credit card EMI. So, the first thing that you want to do is to gather necessary information. Have your RBL credit card number, personal details like your name, date of birth, and more, and the registered mobile number ready. From there, we want to contact the customer care support. You want to reach out to the RBL Bank customer service team using one of the following methods. So basically, we have phone and email. Head over to their official website, navigate through customer services, and click on the Contact Us button. From there, we simply want to call or send an email regarding the foreclose of our account. Basically, we want to obtain the foreclosure amount. The customer service representative will provide you with the exact balance outstanding, which requires the remaining principal, interest accrued until the date of closure, and any applicable pre-closure charges. Lastly, we want to pay the outstanding amount. Pay the specified total amount in full. Basically, the bank will not process the foreclosure request until all dues are cleared. Lastly, we want to get confirmation. After making the payment, ensure that you receive a written confirmation for a no objection certificate or NOC from the bank stating that the EMI plan is successfully closed. Now, for consideration, a pre-closure charge is generally applicable for split and play plans. Basically, the charge is currently 3% of the balance principal outstanding, or INR 100, which is higher. Now, to avoid additional charges, you want to ensure that the foreclosure process is completed well before your next billing date. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.